Often I'm asked about what are the advantages of a cloud-based system, and there's a lot of good reasons to have cloud-based system over local installed system. Mostly you don't have to install it, you don't have to spend the time maintaining it. Your IT department doesn't have to invest resources to keep that system current with all the updates and upgrades. You get all of that benefit just by subscribing to the service. But secondarily, you can access it from anywhere. So if you're dealing with a client that has their CFO in New York and their treasurer in Texas, or you have the procurement team that's distributed at different locations around the world, everybody gets access to the same system, so you can be centralized without having to physically be in the same location. You get the benefit of all of the improvements that are made to the software without having to actually go do those improvements yourself. The development team that's hosting the software does their work, and because you're subscribed, you get all those benefits. A lot of good reasons to subscribe to a cloud-based system.